Every movement you make depends on a hidden structure that is inside you. Welcome to the fascinating world of the human skeletal system. Let us start with the skull. The skull serves several crucial functions. It surrounds and shields the brain, brainstem, and eyes from external forces. This protective role is vital for maintaining the integrity of our central nervous system. Next is the shoulder. The shoulder girdle connects the upper limbs to the axial skeleton. It consists of the clavicle and scapula on each side of the body. The shoulder girdle provides structural support and allows a wide range of motion. Let's move on to the arm bones. Arm bones consist of the humerus, radius, and ulna. These bones serve essential roles in supporting the upper limb and providing attachment points for the muscles responsible for manipulating objects with the arm and hand. Hand bones consist of carpal bones, wrist, metacarpals, palm, and phalanges, fingers. The hand bones provide support and stability and enable intricate movements for tasks like gripping, writing, and playing musical instruments. The sternum shields the heart, lungs, and stomach while serving as an attachment point for tendons. The ribs form a protective cage around the thoracic cavity and move during breathing, aiding lung function. The spine provides structural support for the entire body. It surrounds and protects the spinal cord and nerves, which are essential for transmitting signals between the brain and the rest of the body. The pelvis consists of three fused bones: the ilium, ischium, and pubic bone. They bear the weight of the upper body, stabilize it, and transmit this weight to the lower part of the body. The upper leg consists of femur, which forms a ball and socket joint with the hip bone and the knee joint with the lower leg bones. The patella connects with the upper and lower leg through muscles and ligaments, contributing to knee movement. The lower leg consists of the tibia, which bears weight, with the femur at its superior end and the tarsals at its inferior end. The fibula, located laterally, doesn't bear direct weight but serves as an attachment point for leg muscles. The foot bones include the tarsals, 7 bones allowing minor adjustments to foot position, the metatarsals, forming the forefoot, and the tiny phalanges, toe bones, that articulate with metatarsals and allow flexible toe movements.